Hi everybody, Mike from RMT Family here. Yesterday it was fall time. It was a little cold, but no snow. Today it's winter time. In less than 24 hours we got over 12 inches of snow. In places we have up to 18 inches. It was a pretty bad storm last night. We even lost power for about 2 hours from 3 to 5 in the morning. Luckily we have a backup generator that I was able to start up so that we don't lose heat, because it's pretty important to have heat if you're below freezing. We were in the 20s at the time, and it gets cold pretty quick. So here you can see how this looks like today. There's our truck all snowed in. Our bears over there have lots of snow on them. As you can see up there on the roof, that is about 15 inches of snow. For our metric people, this is over 30 centimeters of snow in less than 24 hours. And then over here, oh, this is our new car, but you'll see that in another video someday. And here is our Tesla Model 3, and as you can see, even though it's under the cover, it blew all the snow under there. So lots of snow, which means we have to probably start with snow removal. Not sure if it's going to warm up again or not. The forecast was talking about cold temperatures below 0 Fahrenheit, which is way below freezing. So 32 degrees Fahrenheit is freezing for our European friends. So it will be way below freezing. And usually if it's way below freezing, there won't be any snow. We would have snow if it's in about the 20s, the low 20s. So just a few degrees below freezing, that's when we usually get the most snow. And that's where the temperatures were. They were in the low 20s and nowhere near where the forecast said it would be below 0. So we didn't expect this much snow, and when the snow comes, then you just got to change priorities immediately. So we had to move our sheep today so that they have a roof over their head, which is tough to move livestock panels in about 15 inches of snow, but we got it done. And now we still have to address this here. This is our driveway. We got anywhere from 6 to 12 inches on the driveway here. As the wind was blowing really hard, it drifted snow in places much higher than others. But so since we had this kind of unexpected snow, we gotta dig out the snow blower, get the old tractor started, and see if we can get rid of this snow here on the driveway. And I'm pretty sure if I do this today, tomorrow it'll be 60 degrees, which would be what, about 15 degrees Celsius, and all the snow will melt again. So we don't know though, since forecasters can be wrong 90% of the time and they still have a job. That's kind of weird, because if I would do my job wrong 90% of the time, I would get fired. But anyway, can't blame the forecasters, I guess. Mother Nature does whatever she wants to. But just in case we get more snow, we got to get the tractor going, get this driveway cleaned up, and be prepared in case we get another snowstorm coming tonight. It's snowing right now, just lightly, but in a couple hours this may be a heavy snow again, and we could get another 10 inches of snow, and then we would be kind of stuck in here tomorrow. We would have to start digging out, basically dig out the cars, the tractor, and get stuff going tomorrow. So we better get on it today and get this snow off the driveway. But all that said, winter seems to be here, and as always, winter looks beautiful. It's just a lot of additional work, and it's a little early, as usually we do not get snow like this till about Thanksgiving Day, so almost the end of November. And today is the 24th of October, so that much snow is unusual for us. There's usually a little snowfall, but it melts right away again in October. But now it may be here to stay. All right, so we'll get the tractor going and start blowing snow away off the driveway, and we'll do a video about that as well. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the video of us using our 40-year-old tractor to blow snow. And oh, that one right there, our new car that we've been looking for or searching for over a year now. Finally got it a couple weeks ago. So if you want to know what it is and want to learn a little bit about it, see if it's another Tesla, another electric car, a hybrid, or maybe even a gas. So like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get to see what car we got. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.